Generative AI is not going to give you the same response every time. In the conventional rule-based testing, this is super easy, right? We are sending 2 plus 2. We know we will get back a 4. But unstructured data and how GenAI is going to use that, it requires a different mindset. And we'll talk about that a little bit. There are new attack vectors, right? There's all of a sudden new surface area. You have a chatbot that's interacting with people. What are they putting in there? Are they trying to trick your chatbot like the Chevy example, right? In general, chatbot experiences suck. People don't like them, right? So how do you actually create a chatbot that is friendly, that is going to answer the question and get out of their way, or redirect them immediately to an agent or create a case, right?
The moment chatbot comes in, everyone is trying to figure out how can I get to the agent. Now with AI-based bots, the good news is that they're very human-like, so they can really understand your point of view. You may deflect the case at this point of time, but you are going to seriously hurt customer satisfaction. And when you hurt a customer satisfaction, you're actually killing your entire bot. Is my end user getting frustrated? Is my end user getting angry? Is this an emergency? Because if it's an emergency, maybe you don't want the guy to constantly talk to a bot and serve him FAQ answers from a RAG or whatever. Bots, for 10 years, they have not done any much for us except just coming in our way between us and the agent. And we always felt that agents have the answer and bots are just delaying that answer. You will find that maybe 80%, 90% of the times it's giving you good enough answers, but not 100%. And that's also the problem with bots, because customers don't give you feedback. So if you don't test it properly, if you don't yourself find all of these gaps, no one else is coming and telling you.
The chatbot continues to answer questions. And what's interesting is that the third question that I get asked here is not in scope, right? How do I buy Bitcoins or something like that? So what you start to see here is that when this question is asked, this is where the guardrail kicks in. People who talk about this is really easy to do have probably not done.